Experiencing a frozen or unresponsive touchscreen in your Tata Safari? A quick reboot is often the solution. There are two main methods, soft reboot and hard reboot. For a soft reboot, access the settings menu on your infotainment screen by tapping the gear icon, navigate to System, and select Restart. This clears temporary memory without data loss, taking about 30 to 60 seconds. If the screen is completely unresponsive, perform a hard reboot, also known as a quick reset. Press and hold the power button, located either on the infotainment unit or the center console, for 10 to 15 seconds until the system shuts down. Then press the power button again to restart. This resolves most touchscreen freezes by resetting the operating system. Always park the vehicle before attempting any restart to avoid distractions. Disconnect any USB devices if glitches persist. If a reboot doesn't fully resolve touchscreen unresponsiveness, recalibration may be needed. Go to Settings, then Display or Touchscreen Settings, and look for a calibration option. Follow the on-screen prompts, usually involving tapping targets on the screen. For persistent issues, a factory reset is a last resort, but be aware that this will wipe your system data and require resetup. Keep your infotainment system software updated via over-the-air OTA updates, which Tata Motors releases to address software bugs and improve stability. Common causes for infotainment issues include overheating, running too many apps simultaneously, or Bluetooth interference. If problems continue, consult a Tata Service Center for diagnostics, especially for potential hardware faults.